Hey guys, Jacob here from Recreational Power Sports. Here is another trade-in we got. This one here is a 2020 Smokercraft Pro Angler 162. So it is a 16-foot aluminum boat. Starting off, you do have your folding tongue. One thing I do want to point out to you guys is you do have a couple rock chips in the front, and your emblem is missing on both sides. It does come on a galvanized trailer, so it is fully rust-free, in really good shape. Making our way down the boat, you do have new tires on it. You have your cleat, your gas cap, and this boat is also coming with the Yamaha 60 horsepower motor. It does have just over 400 hours on it. Let's hop inside and check it out. All right, so inside the boat here, you do have your trolling motor on the front. You have your storage compartment here. It goes all the way through with access on the right-hand side as well. You have your pedestal base if you did want to move your seats around and or get a second or third seat in the future. You have your Livewell, your walk-through windshield. Over here, you do have your glove box. There's actually a fair bit of room in there for storage. You have your folding seats, both driver and passenger. You have a storage compartment in the side here. Coming over onto the driver's side, you have all your gauges, your steering wheel, your Helix 5 fish finder. One thing this boat also has is a battery switch. Very nice for making sure your batteries are off when you're not using it. Coming to the back of the boat, you do have more bases for your pedestals. If you, like I said, if you did want to buy more in the future. And you do have your batteries located in that side compartment there. If you have any questions on this boat, feel free to check it out online or come by the dealership and we'd be happy to show it to you.